Okay, students, we move to the next question. The question number 9. You read that the energy of an excited state of hydrogen atom is minus 0.85 electron volt. What is the quantum number of the orbit if the ground state energy for hydrogen atom is minus 13.6 electron volt? Very simple this is. Okay, we know already formula. What is that formula means? E equal to or En equal to minus 13.6 divided by n square is there. Okay, in this case En, okay, I am writing this is En. Okay, this value is given and they are asking to calculate this. Okay, you can easily calculate this. Okay, question number 9th one. Okay, n square is there. This we can write like this, n square is there, and removing this n means uh, this is En. N square equal to minus 13.6 is there divided by minus 13.6 divided by En, minus 13.6 divided by En. Okay, this implies n is equal to square root of this. Okay, minus 13.6 minus 13.6 divided by En value is given. Okay, in question En value is minus 0.85. This minus get cancel and 136 divided by, and this is n equal to root of 13.6 divided by 0.85, and solving this will get n equal to 4. It is n equal to 4. Okay, now search. This is the answer, n equal to 4, where it is. Okay, in question number 9. Okay, n is value is there. Okay, this A is the answer. Option A is the correct answer, n equal to 4. Okay, question number 10 we will discuss. Read the question. Okay, what is that question? The diameter of innermost orbit of hydrogen atom is 1.06 angstrom. What is the diameter of 10th orbit? Okay, see, go to the formula. We know already Rn. Rn, we can write first question we solve now like that. Rn equal to means n square r naught, it is n square r naught, or I am taking this is r1. Similarly we can write in this is radius, this one diameter we can write like a dn equal to n square into d1 we can write. Okay, in question d1 is given, this is 1.06 and n means 10 it is given. Okay, n value is given, n value, okay, this n value is given, this n value is 10 it is. Okay, now solve this. We can solve very easily this one. dn is given means d10 it is, d10 equal to n square means 10 square into d1 means this value 1.06. okay, and 10 square means this is 100 into 1.06. okay, students, this answer is I think 100 into 1.06. okay, this answer is, I think what is your answer? This answer is 106. okay, answer is 106 angstrom. 106 angstrom means option is B. okay, option is B. Okay, students, next question, read that. Just you read the question, I will explain that. Question number 11. Ionization potential of hydrogen atom is 13.6 volt. Hydrogen atom in the ground state are excited by monochromatic radiation of photon energy 12.1 electron volt. the spectral lines emitted by hydrogen atoms according to Bohr's theory will be 1, 2, 4, 3. Okay, once again you read this. Ionization potential of hydrogen atom is given 13.6 volt. Hydrogen atom is in the ground state are excited by monochromatic radiation of photon, this one. Okay, we'll discuss that one. Here formula is total energy. We need to calculate first that total energy means we know already it is E equal to minus 13.6 minus 13.6 and one more energy level is given in question. What is that means 12.15 or 12.1 electron volt. Okay, 12.1 electron volt and here total energy E equal to and this answer is total energy E equal to this answer is minus 1.5 electron volt, minus 1.5 electron volt. Okay, this is E value but not answer. Okay, now see we know already LHS side I am writing minus 13.6 divided by 6 divided by n square which is equal to En. En is calculated already, it is minus 1.5. okay, this is minus and this minus get cancelled and n square is there here. I am taking this side here and this I am taking this side. Okay, means this implies n is equal to directly I am writing here n equal to square is there. I am removing this square and this becomes root 13.6 divided by 1.5. 13.6 divided by 1.5 that final answer is here 16 and root of 16 is it is 4, means answer is 4. Okay, we'll check it in question number 11. Question number 11, sorry, answer is 3 it is that becomes 9. okay, this becomes 9 it is. okay, root 9 is 3, root 9 is 3, so the answer is 3. Okay, question number 12, if an electron jump from first orbit to third orbit then it will be. okay, electron jump from first orbit to third orbit. okay, what will happens means energy will be absorbed. okay, energy will be absorbed, we'll discuss that.